Figured I'd do a little short for a farm update. There hasn't a whole lot been going on. Got that wheat planted. Pulled the motor out of the E. That is now my daughter's playground. Rearranging stuff in the garage here. Making room for the new rig. Some stuff in the back's probably gonna go out. Change oil on that the other day. Yeah, winterizing the sprayer, running some antifreeze through the pump. And yeah, I think the only other thing I'm gonna do today is these end nozzles, they swivel and they bounce. So I think I'm just gonna weld them. Okay, we got that done. I'm not showing you the welds. Anyway, yeah, I'm probably gonna do some fall tillage here. Once it cools off, it's like 55 degrees today. So I'm gonna let ground temp chill, maybe wait till the first freeze, something like that, I don't know. But I'll try to do a video on that next time. Till then, deuces.